Good morning, students. Today we are going to see English Form 4 in the part note exercise. So students, please take out your rough note and start writing with me in a good handwriting. Okay. So see here, first one we are going to see is new words. Okay, ma'am? What we are going to see? We are going to see new words. From the lesson, from the poem 4. Park. What is this? Park. Second one, swing. Third one, flowers. Fourth, disappears. Fifth, merry-go-round. So now we are going to say the spelling. First one, park. P-A-R-K, park. What is the spelling of park? P-A-R-K. Have you written? Yes. Now let us go to the second one. Swing. Swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. Third one, flowers. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Flowers nanadu pookal. Swing nanadu unjal. Park nanadu we go park nanadu park na theriyum. Next one, see the fourth one, disappears. What is this? Disappears அப்படினா vanish, goes out, நமக்கு தெரியாத இடத்துக்கு போறது vanish. Disappears, spelling D-I-S, dis. Okay, appears, A-P-P-E-A-R-S, disappears. Now last one, merry-go-round. Spelling of merry-go-round, M-E-R-Y, merry, G-O, go, round, R-O-U-N-D, merry-go-round. Now come to the second Roman letter. What is the second Roman letter? Synonyms. Synonyms are meanings. Meanings of the word. Okay. First one, aim. A-I-M. Aim. Aim nanadu point. Target. Point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Aim. Point. Second one, bright. Shine. Bright spelling B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Meaning of bright, shine. S-H-I-N-E. Shine. Bright, shine. Third one, disappear, vanish. Disappear spelling D-I-S, dis, A-P-P-E-A-R, disappear. Vanish spelling V-A-N-I-S-H, vanish. Again I am saying, second Roman letter, synonyms. First one, aim, point. Second one, bright, shine. Third one, disappear, vanish. Now see the third Roman letter, antonyms. Antonyms means opposites. So the first one, day. Day na pagal. Appo night. Day oda opposite enna varum? Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Day, night. Spelling of night, N-I-G-H-T. Night. Second one, long. Long nanadu romba neelam. Long. Appa short. Long oda opposite enadu short. Short nanadu kammiya. Say the write the spelling of short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Okay. Again I am repeating. Third Roman letter, antonyms. First one, day, night. Second one, long, short. Day, night. Long, short. Now see the next Roman letter, that is fourth Roman letter, singular, plural. Singular means single, plural means more than a one. Okay. Now swing. First one is swing. Swing. We are going to add a s and going to make us a plural. Okay. See here, what is the spelling I am going to write here? S W I N G. Up to G varaki na write panniten, copy panniten from the question. So now I am going to put a S. Okay. So swings, it becomes a plural. Now see the second one, slide. I am going to write the spelling of slide here. S L I D E. Write paniyachi. So what we are going to add here? S. Write down S. So it becomes a plural. The plural form of slide is slides. Now see the next one, that is third one, park. I am going to write the same, P-A-R-K, park. I am going to add S and made it as a plural. So again, fourth Roman letter, singular, plural. First one, swing, S-W-I-N-G, swing. And here we are going to add a S, swings. Next one, slide. We are going to add a S with the slide. Spelling of slides, S-L-I-D-E-S, slides. See the third one, park, P-A-R-K, park, plural, P-A-R-K-S, plurals, okay ba? Plural, parks. Now see the fourth Roman letter, rhyming words. Play, first one is play, P-L-A-Y, play. So what is the rhyming word for play? Day, D-A-Y, day. It is from your book, from your poem, okay. Park, P-A-R-K, park. So what is the rhyming word for park? Dark, D-A-R-K, dark. Third one, swings. What is the rhyming word for swings? Wings, W-I-N-G-S, wings. See the fourth one, flowers, horse, ride, slide. Again saying the rhyming words, play, D-A-Y, day, park, D-A-R-K, dark, swings, W-I-N-G-S, wings. Okay. See here, flowers, H-O-U-R-S, horse, ride, R-I-D-E, ride, S-L-I-D-E, slide. This is your rhyming words. Now let us go to the fifth Roman letter. Answer the questions. Questions is given, you have to say the answers. Okay, ma'am. So first question, what Dolly, D-O-L-L-Y, Dolly loves to do in the park? What she likes to do in the park? She likes to play. Okay, ma'am. She likes to play in the park. So answer eppadi write pannu? Dolly, D-O-L-L-Y, Dolly loves to. What she wants to do? She wants to play. So to play, P-L-A-Y, play in the park. Adavadhu do badila you have to write a play. What she wants to do? She wants to play. Now see the second question. What all do you see in the park? Park la maine la paathom in the poem la. In the poem la maine paathom swings, slides, merry-go-round. Okay, what is the meaning of swing? Unjal, slide na enadhu? Slide na enadhu? Sark and merry-go-round na round adipomla. That is merry-go-round. Okay. So spelling of swing, S-W INGS, swings. Slides another SLIDES, slides. Spelling of merry-go-round, MERY, merry, GO, ROUND, round, merry-go-round. Again I am saying the answer to the questions. What Dolly loves to do in the park? Dolly loves to play in the park. Now see the second question. What all do you see in the park? Answer: swings, slides, merry-go-round. So students, see here, I have finished English poem 4 note exercise also. Okay, already I have finished in the previous class. I have finished the book exercise. Today I have finished the note exercise. Copy down the notes and start studying. Okay, thank you very much.